Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for this question. I can confirm to this House that government is well within the approved borrowing limit, as approved by this Parliament. Thank you.
Thank you. Supplementary question, the Honourable Selman.
We do thank the Minister for the reply given. If that is the case, where do they finance all the other assistance that they're giving out now regarding the cyclone bill? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Honourable Member. I'm not sure if the Honourable Member was here or not yesterday when I gave the ministerial statement. In my ministerial statement and earlier on in the week, I had also said that a number of the initiatives, new initiatives that government has been financing, for example, Help for Homes, has actually been financed by redeployment of funds, which is still within keeping the limit.
Thank you. And I give the floor to the Honourable Samuel Awuniwalu.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, can the Honourable Minister further elaborate to the Honourable House, August House, if you have to go to prescribed limit, would you have to come back to Parliament? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you. What the Honourable Member has asked, which actually is a very logical question, is everybody in this Parliament should know that if any government is going to go over the prescribed limit set by Parliament in the budgetary process, then obviously we'll have to come to Parliament. If, yes, very basic parliamentary standing. If you are going to go over the prescribed borrowing, you have to come to Parliament. So obviously we are within the prescribed limits that have been set by Parliament. Madam Speaker, the reality is this, Madam Speaker, is that some of the members on the other side know this. They've been in the civil service. It is a feature whenever you have, for example, a unbudgeted event, you actually can redeploy funds, or you can via within the ministry itself. And that's precisely what has happened in the past, and that's precisely what has happened in this instance, Madam Speaker.